Picture a factory operating at full capacity. Suddenly, a critical machine grinds to a halt, and the entire production line goes dead. A maintenance technician is dispatched immediately. But instead of fixing the problem, they spend the next 30 minutes wandering the shop floor, digging through cluttered drawers and unorganized bins just to find the right wrench. That 30-minute search creates an immediate ripple effect. The machine stays offline, operators stand idle on the clock, and the daily production quota slips out of reach. A structural catastrophe, like a factory fire, triggers a swift corporate response. But the quiet drain of daily, unaddressed frictions, like that disorganized tool cart, actually costs more over time than most isolated disasters. Confronted with missed quotas, the standard corporate reaction is to look for a silver bullet. Executives often sign off on multi-million-dollar software packages or hire outside consultants to overhaul the system from the top down. But Japanese manufacturing relies on a philosophy called Kaizen. Translating to change for the better, it sources solutions directly from the people working on the assembly lines. The goal is to hunt down muda, or waste, any activity that doesn't add value, by sourcing ideas from every employee, from senior management to the shop floor operators. True sustainable efficiency is the result of thousands of small, deliberate behavioral shifts layered across an entire organization. To find out why that tool search took 30 minutes, Kaizen demands a Gemba Walk. Instead of speculating in a boardroom, managers go directly to the source, the actual workplace where the problem occurred, and talk directly to the technician. This diagram illustrates the 5 whys. When a machine stops, you repeatedly ask why, tracing the problem down the chain. Why the repair took so long, or the tool was missing. Eventually, you hit the root cause. No standardized storage system. Handing the technician a new wrench treats the immediate symptom, but identifies nothing. Correcting the storage system solves the systemic failure that caused the delay in the first place. The PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act, implements solutions. During plan and do, the team deploys 5S, installing color-coded shadow boards to organize the workspace. In check and act, success is measured, and the new layout is locked in as official standard work. Warning tone. Without formal standardization, human habit will pull a workspace back into its original state of disorganization. Reorganizing a single tool cart solves one headache, but this exact same methodology scales up to manage the heavy machinery itself. By analyzing bearing failures or motor overloads with the 5 whys, plants develop standardized, proactive schedules. They shift away from reacting to broken parts and instead focus on predictive maintenance, checking vibration and lubrication before a failure ever happens. Equipment running on a proactive schedule lasts longer, breaks down less often, and reduces the long-term cost of operations. Back on the factory floor, the new visual management system drops our technicians' tool search from a 30-minute hunt down to 5 minutes. This bar chart demonstrates the mathematical power of that reclaimed time. 25 minutes might seem trivial on a Tuesday, but multiply that across hundreds of technicians operating over thousands of shifts a year, and you recover months of lost labor. These localized tweaks compound at scale, transforming small gains into a significant organizational advantage. When a facility fully adopts this mindset, the benefits span every department, producing more output with fewer resources, pushing towards 0 defects, and eliminating workplace accidents. The mathematical gains are secondary to the cultural shift that occurs when workers take ownership of their own environment. Kaizen suggests that a company's best form is never reached in a single leap, but through an endless, relentless series of deliberate steps forward.
Kaizen means continuous improvement. It uses tools like 5S, waste and improve quality, while boosting overall productivity and building a culture of excellence. Small changes, big results.